Good morning, class 10. We are starting from that short sightedness or myopia defect. So myopia is known as nearsightedness. Means what is the problem? In this case, the person can see any object which is close to his eyes but can't see anything which is kept in a very far from his, means nearly suppose infinity or suppose 100 meter or 200 meter, like this distance can't be visible by eye. So if by definition I am going, so a person with myopia can see nearby object clearly but cannot see a distant object distantly. The problem is that the student think short sightedness means who cannot see near distance. Basically sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight means what? Vision. So short sightedness means he or she can see nearer object but can't see distant object. Student, make these things very much clear in your head from the beginning of the chapter. So in a myopic eye, what is happening? In myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina. Means usually it should fall perfectly on retina, but it is before retina. It is means not on retina, just before reaching to the retina it falls before retina. So basically we can't get the vision. So when we are having offline class, I will show you by diagram. Right now, not possible. I will show you basically. So this defect may arise. How? Excessive curvature of the eye lens, elongation of the eyeball. So if the curvature has increased, so it's possible. Lens curvature has increased, that time it's possible. Or eyeball has elongated, so this defect can be possible. This defect can be corrected by using concave lens of suitable power. A concave lens of suitable power will bring image back on the retina. Instead of here by diagram, it will be easier to see. See, if you are having a problem, so here see you are having retina. So in from the of the retina, the image will be formed. In front of the retina, image will be formed. So it is see first diagram. See, it should focused on retina, but it is focused before retina. So parallel beam of ray falls on the convex lens, so it make the image before retina. So obviously you can't see the object. You will get a blur vision of the object which is far away from you. Now we know that anything is placed at infinity, always taking at consideration that the rays are coming as parallel ray. So image forms in front of the retina. Now if you kept the concave lens, what is the concave lens characteristics? If parallel beam of ray falls on the convex lens, it always diverges. So lens makes the ray parallel ray to a diverged ray. So if diverged ray falls on the lens, so again it will come back to retina. So moral of the story is what? This diagram is mandatory. I will give you the with the description box. I will give the note that what note. So from there you can get. So in front of the retina, it is first in front of the retina image formed, which is not expected. So if you use concave lens, so concave lens will make diverged ray from parallel ray, and when that diverged ray falls on the convex lens, it will automatically focus on the retina. And next defect is what? Next defect is that hypermetropia. What is hypermetropia? Hypermetropia is that defect which can easily corrected, and it is called long-sightedness. Means a person with hypermetropia can see distant object clearly but cannot see nearby object. Means like those who are having plus power, they can't see near object but they can see distance object. In morning class we have already discussed the near point for a person is 25 centimeter. So as a result, the light ray when falls for this hypermetropia patient, in the image forms beyond the retina. Means it is not retina, It is crosses the retina and falls behind the retina. So obviously when it is in front of your eyes, you can't see. So why this defect happen? This defect happen basically for two reasons. The focal length of the eye has too long, so that's why you can't see, or eyeball has become too small, so that's why you can't see. So this effect can be corrected by convex lens of suitable power. Eyeglass with converging lens provided additional focusing power required for forming the image. Let's see what is happening. So basically for the first case, normal eye should the image forms on the retina. Now when you are having a hypermetropic eye, so image is forming behind the retina. See the diagram. Now if you place one convex lens, so it will help you to convert the ray on just the retina. Now depending on your eye power, how much defect is there, how much power of defect is there, you will choose the power, or your doctor will choose the power accordingly. Now coming for the last thing, that is called presbyopia. Now sometime due to old age, what is happening, the power of accommodation of eye usually decreases by aging because eye muscle loosen. So for most people, near point gradually decreases. So if a person doesn't have any eye problem throughout its entire life, but he or she might have the eye problem in the older age, which should be the plus power. They find it difficult to see near object comfortably and distinctly without corrective eyeglasses. This defect is called presbyopia. Presbyopia is a simple word, is a type of hypermetropia which occurs in old age. Remember that. So how does it happen? It arises due to gradually weaken of ciliary muscle and diminishing flexibility of the eye lens. A person may also suffer from both myopia, hypermetropia. Such people often require bifocal lens. So that is also falls under the category of that what presbyopia. See what is bifocal lens, you know that normally we have one kind of lens, one kind of power throughout my eyes, but some people has two power in that in between the eye lenses they are having the separation in the glass, so they are having that or you can right now you can hear about suppose progressive lens, so that is also falls under the category of presbyopia. A common type of bifocal lenses consist of both concave and convex lenses. The upper portion consists of a convex lens. It facilitates distance vision. The lower portion is a convex lens. It facilitates near vision. So this is the presbyopia. So on a summary, what I can say, human eye is one of the valuable and sensitive sense organ which works on refraction of light and enables us to see wonderful world. The part of human eye are what? Cornea, pupil, ciliary muscle, eye lens, retina and optic nerve. The ability of eye lens adjust focal length is called accommodation. From where light enters through retina, passes through the pupils and fall on the eye lens, which converts the light from an real to inverted image on retina, which